Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know how we do. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bag and I gotta continue doing the daily updates on the paper you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with Vybz Kartel revealing to the world that Vanessa Bling had a miscarriage. Yes, and he was the father to be, because him love her dearly, you see me, sir, and he was going to marry her. But you know, sir, she never believed him because you know, sir, him name world boss. You see me, sir, and the girl them love after Gaza youth. But as you can see, he wrote on his page, me did love that look at my girl, yeah, you see, you can tell by the caliber of songs I wrote for her. Throwback Vybz Kartel guys like slim. I even got her pregnant, but she lost our child. You see me, I say, and he said in the comment section, but they want to marry you and give you, you know, but you don't me and all of these stuff, you see me, I say. But the most important thing out of that quote there from this song, this is why them say Vanessa Bling, you know, pun salt, you see me, I say, because people say me I gotta make you lonely, say me I gotta left you, go to prison or the cemetery. And you know, shortly after he was, you know, incarcerated for whatever charges he's going through now, you see. And a lot of people is wondering about, so why, how Shorty deal with all of this. Well, Kartel subliminally is dissing his baby mother, and people think it's Shorty because we rarely see Kartel this up. Him other baby mothers them, you see me, I say maybe them under control and Shorty. Boy, Kartel post up in them story the other day, in prison watching my ex ruin her life just to make me jealous. You see me, I say. And he also put up in the story, don't worry about me when me move on, cause you did get your chance and play yourself. You know what I mean? But one thing me know about Kartel and them woman them, for mind no business. As you know, he just dropped a couple songs the other day. Mind your own business. You see me, I say. And them drop some other songs from him fever, you know what I mean? So you don't know the things that controversy sell. So I'm probably just stirring up a lot of drama so they can go run and check out the fever. So just the update on what I want for to go and put in the comment section. What you think about that? Oh, I forgot to mention, he's responded to people in the comments, you know, and he's saying, you know, basically, I think she's still waiting to marry him, I guess, when he's free from prison, April 2024 or February 24. Boy, I one bag of wife the boss of, you know. But anyways, let's proceed. Now, I just want to briefly talk about this Tommy Hilfiger thing, because Mr. Shenseea and, you know, Kolari post up in him clothing as well as that melanin queen, you know what I mean? From what I know, Tommy Lee Hilfiger always said him never make clothes for black people. So, just surprising how times have changed, eh? Because you know, say black people are the biggest supporters some of these Caucasian people's clothing lines. You see me, say, so when I see Shenseea and Kolari and the other melanin people in it, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy. But put in the comment section what do you think about that. You see me, I say, that's the one giving that perspective on what going from what to go on, because me say everybody, you know, hip hooray about Kanye West. And them talk about certain people, but when certain people, you know, is making it blatantly, you know, known that, you know, they don't mess with y'all and them not make nothing for unarate it. You see me, I say. But like I said, I'm just giving an update what going from go on. Not sure if many of you or any of you didn't know that perspective on things. But let's proceed to the next. Now, boy, oh boy, oh boy, this thing with Donnelly is another thing. You feel me? Homegirl has been missing basically a year now. You see me, I said, it just seems so long, you feel what I'm saying? But you know, from them time that Noel has been in prison waiting to get bail. You know what I mean? So, you know, Sophia Log, Donnelly mother, is letting the world know today, Monday, the 11th, obviously yesterday, was the exact Monday evening like this when my baby girl Donna leave our home to be with that savage Noah Maitland, and tomorrow, Tuesday the 12th, she was brutally, you know what, said by him and his colleagues at Chelsea Manor apartment 1 year and 2 months to be exact. And he refused to tell me what happened to my child. Where is my daughter Noel? We will be going back to court on the 20th September 2023 for a bail hearing in Jamaica, and everyone around the world, please help me pray for justice. Without God, this case would be impossible. My life is a living nightmare. Only God knows how I am surviving. Thank you for all standing with me. No justice, no peace. And now Shauna Chyn is commenting on the men in Jamaica, given everything that's going on that comes to on the mind, you see me I say. And she's saying that the man them basically love the man them more than the woman them. And boy, people are one bag of things I talk up, you know. You see me I say. So let's take a listen to what I go on for not to go on, and then we proceed.
Are you born split with him? But when your woman will suck your hood now, you don't want to share no split with your woman because you think about where your man your man friend I got think. Most of them man them have them man friend around them and moisturize them man friend mine. Cause them love man. That's why I'm in a ramp. If my man me always tell her to be nasty things around them, because guess what? Me rather you tell me say you like butter. Him rather batty spliff, yes. Them rather batty spliff. Enough of them friend. I take out them khaki a piece of road. I didn't know if your friend washing hand. And he come and say, yeah, dog. And go say, yeah, dog. And then he go say, and roll his spliff with the same penis hand. You think that easy? Dirty boy them be, because them put trust in them friends. So what make we can rub food and the food crutches and roll and say, yeah, my G. And yeah, babe. I'm making a roll a spliff too. But for them dirty blood clot. Because they love listen to ears and they love listen to man. And you still ain't can't do. Jamaican man them, most of the Jamaican man them nowadays, them not like woman, you know. Oh, I don't know us, we keep on give them pussy. I must true we can't do no better. Sometimes I true we can't do no better, I swear to God. Somehow we just fuck them because we can maybe get one look one and two things. Some love fuck the man them because they can get one and two go out. Or they can get one and two bill for pay. Some fuck a man because they not other choice them. Them no want to use no deal, them tired if you lose them sensation with the vibrator. Them walk around and I teach them one another for eat woman. That's why they not like woman. I know all the man I know. I charge them not like woman, but them fuck them. Them fuck them don't like woman, but them I'm charge them, you know. Them don't like woman, but them fuck them. And them they are real dogs. I'm not diss them, I'm not do no whatever. As he pre, but me I tell you say a fox brother. I say a thing go a road. I just some man if we see your ray and really see something in a category really like whatever. That's why me, if me I go deal with a boy nowadays, me I have to be friend first. Me you know be not jumping on a relationship. Cause the man them and the woman them there so a war against them one another. It's a gender war going on earth. Can't stay there. Gender war one on earth. And then again pan top of it. And for the man them fall need because the girl them love fight against them blood clot one another. Some of them want fight against a woman because of man. And some of them no love listen here say I make man make on eat woman. I don't know nothing because the man them mix up that woman and them line of blood clot. Man carry news more than girl. Know that. That's why I don't listen to man. All the time I meet a man and he want to complain about him yard and him pass and him girl and him this. I just go like me I listen, but in real life man I listen. Cause they mix up. They mix up. All alone are wicked. Man and woman. None of man alone are wicked. Woman are wicked too. And mostly women on earth. Mostly women on earth. No man know what a man on the earth. We all can dance for him. You know, we celebrate something. Can buy all one post.
Yeah, put in the comment section if you're feeling what she's saying. I must admit, Jamaicans are kind of childish when it comes to these, you know, not wanting to drink back juice and all of these stuff. Like literally, you feel me? But nevertheless, people, Yeah, big up yourself, Shauna. You see my say and your charity thing. Anyway, people, man, I got longer this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest and I dance on news, music, reviews, and gossips. Bless.